guys, here's a video on painting your engine in your garage. Alright, I have all these parts sandblasted and mostly cleaned. I still got to do a little bit of cleaning up after the sandblasting. I got to fix some holes in the side of the oil pan here. Got it blasted and cleaned up really well. There's the bell housing extension, the intake manifold. I've got a bucket full of parts here, pulleys and fan, and I got the heads here. I am surfacing the heads now. Very precision. Anyway, as you can see, it'll work out here. Still need to clean them up with a wire wheel a little bit. These things were severely rusted, so I sandblasted it best I could. We got to clean it up a little bit more, and then we'll start painting. I have tore this thing down into over 200 pieces. Right here is 30 of those pieces. I'm getting ready to paint. I've already disassembled, repaired, sandblasted, and cleaned everything on this engine. It is absolutely a bare block right now. I've already even sandblasted the block. So I've got the heads here, the bell housing extension, the intake manifold, and some new water pumps. I've got to paint them. I've got the oil pan here. I've got to repair some holes in the side of the oil pan where it rusted through. But right here I have a bunch of the small parts that have to be painted up now. So I'm getting ready to primer and paint, and we'll get at it. That's going to wrap up this video. Next time, assembly.